Oh.
So basically, let me give you guys the rundown. Right?
Don't listen to him.
Sure.
Basically, we were driving along at a solid 45, and she saw a bunny on the side of the road, and thought it'd be a good idea to just skydive out of the fucking car for no reason, and then decided to get hit by a semi-trailer.
Oh, God.
I provided as much medical I can. I held her hand for about 12 seconds and said it's going to be okay, then told her to breathe in and out. That's the most I know as a state trooper.
Only 12 seconds?
12, well, I mean, honestly, my hands started to get sweaty. I do love
That's
her.
fair.
My hands just got really sweaty.
He doesn't love me.
That's adorable, honestly.
I'm gonna clean your wounds and then I'm gonna wrap them up and give you some ice for
If anyone asks that...
I'm gonna have to kill you.
Do you have any allergies?
I think she's allergic
Stop
to me.
coughing on the fucking paramedic, please.
I'll
Any
stand over here.
allergies or
She's
no
allergic to
allergies?
me, I think.
I'm
Or
fucking
C?
in
I
it.
don't know.
Maybe you.
I'm getting.
I think her oxygen went down the wrong hole and she's choking right now.
I think she's
Yeah,
trying to.
The only thing she's allergic to is cats, so are you...
I don't blame her, to be honest. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start
So,
diving.
respectfully, I'm gonna have to ask you to stop. I feel
You
uncomfortable.
like it when I her?
I inhaled
would you
my
rate
gum.
When I'm off duty, maybe.
How would you rate your pain? Mild, moderate?
I can also make penguin noises.
My.
How do you know what a penguin sounds like?
Okay.
Is this what you get up to in
I
the
think
troopers?
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
This is what I do, man. I don't catch criminals, I just make noises.
Yeah, that's understandable. You are a trooper.
Acetaminophen.